Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I set it out right here on my kitchen counter. I'm getting ready to cook dinner, so I just said let me just do everything in the kitchen. So that's what we're about to do. If you guys hear that noise in the background, Pooh Bear is outside riding his bike with the training wheels, so you might hear the little wheels going by. But yeah, so I'm just going to jump into this and show you the few things that I just picked up. Okay, so the first couple things that I picked up, and I took them out the boxes so that I could show you. I think these are super adorable. These are animal planters. The plants are not included, which is why I picked up a couple succulents. Now, I did pick up two of the little foxes. One is for my daughter, and so it looks like this, and her name is Flora. And these are super cute. You don't have to put fake succulents in there either. You can put whatever you want in these. I really like the little turtle, and his name or her name is Tilly. And so it looks like that. And then Uma is is that a llama? It's a llama. That little thing on top of her head looked like a unicorn, but I believe it's a llama. And then you have the little porcupine or hedgehog by the name of Hudson. So I wanted these four, so that's why I went ahead and got my daughter one. I did pick up some of the Succulent Picks. I know I have some in my storage. I don't know. I was standing there looking at these succulents, and after I purchased them, I said, girl, you know you don't need no more succulents because I have a bunch of them. But I did pick up this one. They will be cute in there. You just have to cut that down. Yeah, I picked up this one. That one. I like the light gray with a little bit of green. This one kind of has that purple look. I thought that would be really pretty in the little hedgehog because he's purple or she's purple. This one kind of has that orange peach color to it. And then they had a lot of greenery like the bouquet. So I picked up this one right there. That one that kind of looks like lavender. Can you see that? Right there. And then this one has the little yellow. So I'm not sure what kind of arrangement I'm gonna do with these yet, but I did want those, so I picked those up. Okay, so they did have, I know you guys are like, why she got Pooh Bear's drawers on the counter? They had some boxes with some boys briefs and drawers, and some little girls box with some panties. I did take a picture of both of the boxes. So the only size that I found for Pooh Bear, which was, what is his size? I picked him up at extra large. It says extra large, but it kind of looks smaller than that. But they say black bear, and I'm going to wash these and see how they work on him. So I got those. I did pick up the little, Pooh Bear's outside playing with the wind chime. The little red truck and the little camper shell or camper. I got those. I picked up these purple cups, and I love these. These are by the brand Plates and Beyond that Dollar Tree gets sometimes. So I only picked up two. They're not stackable, but I love purple, so I had to get those. They had their spring stuff out. They had towels and everything. I'll put some of the pictures up at the end of the video. But can you see that? It says bloom where you are planted. And then on the other side it has that little bike. So I only picked up one of these. I did get the 2 bags of the Mahatma Rice that I showed you guys in my last video. So I picked up 2 bags of those to try out. I think I'm actually going to try these today. Yeah, I'm probably going to cook those tonight. And then I did get 2 of the Kiss It Goodbye lip color remover. I wear a lot of matte color lipsticks, and so sometimes they stain my lips. It depends on the brand. So this is clear, and it helps to remove the lipsticks and stuff. So I picked up 2 of those. I did pick up some pearls. You guys, I know I did a few little crafts in the past, like a few years back. I don't know. I stopped crafting, and I have something in mind. I'm going to try. I don't know. If it works out or if I can tackle it, then I'll show you guys. But I picked up 3 bags of the pearls, and this has 40 of them in there. Here's a magnetic list pad that is going to stay on the refrigerator for groceries, just because I like that. They had some new little journals, and all it is lined paper. And there was different ones, but you get these cute stickers. Look at that. So I picked these up for my daughter, and this book was purple, and it has the mermaid stickers on the front. So I got her that. There was two other ones too. Like I said, I took some pictures. I'll put them at the end. I showed you guys these, the meal prep containers. I picked up these just for me to, I don't know. I'm trying to do something. I'm not going to talk about it. Because you know how it is when you be like, oh yeah, I'm going to start trying to meal prep and maybe try to go on a small diet or whatever. But then you don't do it, and then people start asking you, well, what's going on with your diet? I don't even talk about stuff. I'm going to just try it. So that's why I picked up those. I did get this book for my son because, like I told you guys, he loves cooking and stuff. And this is pancakes and waffles, and it has all kinds of different recipes in here. Look at that. Ginger and sesame waffles with steak and dipping sauce. That sounds interesting. So I know he'll get a kick out of this. Beer and bacon pancakes. Wow. And I love when he tries new stuff because, you know, I get to sample it. So I picked him up that. Part of the spring collection with the cups and stuff, they did have the towels and some of the placemats. I picked up this one just because it had the little blue hummingbird on it. There is a little hummingbird that always comes to the yard, and so I picked this up. Not sure where I'm going to put this at yet. It might go in front of the coffee Keurig or whatever once I'm ready to decorate for spring. I'm not too sure, but I did pick that up. I also grabbed some of these that I showed you guys in my walkthrough, and this is just foliage. I got a few of the same ones. So this one, which I like, and then I picked up a few of these. I have something in mind as well with these that I plan on doing some DIY. But yeah, we'll see how that works. So I picked up a couple of those. I picked up another pair of these because I had a pair. My daughter wanted a pair, so I got her those. Then I showed you guys these in the store. And so I got the little elephant, and I got the cute little, I think that's a turtle. I got that, and they're squishies, and they, you know, so it has the little hook on it. I just think those are cute. And then I did get Pooh Bear. I said I was only going to get like 3. I ended up picking up the whole display, you guys. Look at that. And he did open one already. It's upstairs. It ended up being, which one did he get? He got Ink Bendy. And it's just a little character. It's just a little character, and it comes with a little stand. So you pop it on the stand and they just stand up. So hopefully we end up with all of these because he really likes Bendy. So I ended up with 11. So there's 10 left that we need to open, and he's waiting for me to finish this video because he wants to open all of these. So that's everything in this Dollar Tree haul. Wasn't a whole lot, but I was you know, getting ready to put everything away, so I figured I'd show you guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna go outside and watch Pooh Bear ride his bike for a little while before I start my dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you're having a beautiful Saturday. It's a beautiful day today. It's getting late now. I don't know, my clock is on that hand. But yeah, it's getting a little late. I think it's about maybe 4:30-ish, I think. Yeah, so I hope the day went well for you guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful day tomorrow, and I'll talk to you all real soon in another video. Bye. There he is, riding his bike, enjoying the day with the dog. You gonna say hi? We having a lazy day, you guys. He still has on his PJs. It was just one of them days.